quick little tour of this little mini art journal. Just lots of little scraps I've made, cut up, put together, salt and watercolor, lots of texture on that one, smashed flowers, mixed media paper, scrap drawing paper, more mixed media paper, random sminagashi, more scraps, bird feather, that's Jay's. And then just a variety of different little stuff I've just mashed together. I really like this one. He is yellow and purple themed, bird themed. No idea about the types of birds. There's some collagraphs in there and more salt. Loving the salt. There is intaglio print, tri-point, and then that little dude on the end who does kind of look like a dodo. I love the color of the paper, and then double Coptic stitch. Done! Good birdie kisses. Right, there's a whole bunch of these little dudes, and I'm going to smash them. You can hear Jay talking. Okay. There you go. Make it. I did. Oh, there's lots of threads. There's threads everywhere. Okay, this one. Hey, bird. Goes through that hole. I make it. Nope, I went through the thread. I did not go through the thread this time. Hey, 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 hey. What's up, bud? He's trying to feed his bill. What are you doing? Let's see, how many he says? It is one of 9 Coptic Coptics described in this volume. Oh my goodness. So that is one type of it. There are so many. Okay. So what I did, let's see, under the lock. So that is the first one. That is not what I did. So that second one, it has a quote, false kettle stitch. I had no idea. Oh my gosh, so many types.